On May 2, 2013, the city of Red Wing and the surrounding region received an unprecedented spring snowfall event with official reports indicating 10 inches of snow, and in some areas of the city as much as 17 inches of saturated snow. The tremendous amount of moisture-laden snow caused damage to power and telecommunication lines and to a significant number of city boulevards and private trees. The National Weather Service's monitoring station in Red Wing recorded 2.5 inches of water in 5.5 inches of snow that fell that day. A normal snowfall of 10 inches would contain about an inch of water. If you looked closely at the snow, you could detect a blue hue due to the water content. A gas line was broken when a tree uprooted along Twin Bluff Road. Many power outages affected our citizens, as well as our water and wastewater treatment plants, which required city standby generators to provide citizens with water and sewage treatment. As would be expected from this type of storm, the trees and forested areas in the city and surrounding areas were devastated by the accumulated weight of the snowfall. Widespread damages from downed and uprooted trees required the city to mobilize its resources and provide immediate assistance to the residents and businesses of Red Wing. The city dispatched its Public Works Department throughout the Red Wing neighborhoods to collect and dispose of the extensive volumes of brush. The city also contracted with 5 independent tree services to assist in the removal of damaged trees. Police and fire crews worked diligently on managing traffic to maintain public safety. One of the baseball backstops located at the athletic field collapsed due to the snowfall. The cooperation of Red Wing citizens was appreciated during this difficult time, and many citizens provided high praise for the city cleanup operation and appreciated having the solid waste campus open for shredding of all the trees. The city website and social media sites were active as information was posted regularly throughout the storm and cleanup period. Residents' comments were generally related to inquiring about the hours the waste campus site were open and praising the public works crews for their efforts. A debris management staging area was established at the city's waste campus to serve as a regional depository for brush and wood waste free of charge. This brush was then ground up continuously over the next 5 days using the city's wood grinder. The city had managed approximately 50 semi-loads of wood waste before a hydraulic line on the grinder burst and damaged the grinder equipment extensively. Over the course of the next several days, the city has collected more than 700 dump truck loads of brush. Waste Campus staff has estimated receiving another 2,000 loads from residents throughout the region, including Featherstone Township, Hay Creek Township, Vesa Township, Wakuta Township, Lake City, City of Goodhue, Zumbrota, Pine Island, Prairie Island Indian Community, Goodhue County Highway Department, Southern Dakota County, Welch Township, Wabasha County, and the Red Wing School District. Now that things are back to normal, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the Public Works and Public Safety personnel, residents, and all of the agencies that contributed to the cleanup of this severe weather event.